show you guys how I style my hair. I am wearing hair extensions in right now. I have the tape-in hair extensions by Jay-Z Styles. You can see how short my hair is. It looks kind of crazy right now because I just washed, deep conditioned my hair, blow dried it, and I'm going to style it. And I try to wash my hair like once a week or longer if I can. Dry shampoo, yes. And so the products I used before I blow dried was the diamond oil by Redken. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Anyway, so I use this, and after I'm done blow drying, I put a little bit in as well, just layering in before I do each heat application. So like I blow dried, I put the oil in, and then now I'm gonna be doing some curling and flat ironing. So even that just really helped bring down that frizz. Did you see that? It's amazing. And I know my hair looks so crazy right now, but hopefully it'll look good after this video. So I take mine out in sections, and I'm gonna leave this one out, this front piece here. And I am using don't do this to me. This is a tool, curling iron by Hot Tools, and I believe this is the 1¼ barrel. And I have the heat set to 380. And I'm just gonna show you how I'm taking the curls. And because I want my hair extensions to blend in with my shorter pieces, I don't curl the shorter pieces, I only curl the extension part. And I'm not gonna lie, having short hair and hair extensions can be challenging when your hair is to here and then you put hair extensions in. It's a lot easier to blend, but because my hair is so short, it has had its times where I have to put more effort into it to get it to blend. And so these sections I'm taking, I don't know, they're not all the same. I take random thickness, maybe like 1 inch, I don't know. This one was like a little bit thicker. This one's about the same as the first one, so I guess I kind of rotate. And I'm also rotating the direction of my curl too. So this first curl was going away from my face. The next curl was going towards my face, and then all the way around. But it's pretty easy and quick to curl your hair when you have a good curling iron. It can heat up really nicely, and you can get an even, consistent curl. You're not gonna spend, 20 minutes curling your hair. It'll take way less than that. This one's a really big section I took, but I'm just kind of playing with it, and it's already looking so much better. So this one, when you take bigger sections, you want to hold on, keep it in the curling iron longer, so that once you can start to feel the heat coming through. Okay, so here's my hair with it curled, and I'm just gonna go through some of the products that I put in after it's been curled. And again, I do a little bit of the oil, and you guys, seriously, like half a squirt. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not very much. Layering on the oil. just a little tiny bit there by my face. And then I'm gonna break up the curl. So you could leave it like this if you wanted to. But I'm gonna go in and show you how I blend. So I have my flat iron on. This is just a flat iron from Chi. Which I've had this flat iron for so long. So here it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys got some tips. If you have any tips for me on how you guys curl, I would love to hear about them. Like this side, I can never get it the same as this side, so I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I do oiling again afterwards, and just a little bit. And this oil is not very heavy at all. It's very light. So whatever oil you're using, make sure it's light. I also spray it with this at the end, and you guys, this stuff smells so good. Redken came out with this. It's a newer product, and it's a dry texturizing finishing spray, and just love it. And then here is the Amika Perk It Up dry shampoo, and I spray that all throughout. This one smells good as well. And yeah, so there's my products that I use and how I style it and curl it. And so